Pour 15 milliliters of vinegar into the flask. Add 3 scoops of baking soda inside the balloon using the funnel. Attach the balloon to the flask. Do not let the baking soda fall inside the flask. Now pull the balloon up to allow the baking soda fall inside the flask. Did you see how the balloon got inflated? Scientific explanation. Vinegar and baking soda undergo a chemical reaction when they mix. Carbon dioxide is released from this mix and fill the balloon with air.